Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the general option. Here we've got the security, so let's enter, and as you can see in the phone administration section at the very bottom, we've got unknown sources option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the warning, the information that actually you're doing it on your own responsibility, because third-party apps aren't verified by the developer usually. So it means that you may put your phone and personal data on the risk, and they may be more vulnerable to attacks by apps from unknown sources. So again, you're doing it on your own responsibility. Just tap on allow, and as you can see right now it is active, so it means that your device will be allowed to download, to install some content from other sources than Google Play Store. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher here. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.